direction to go to Falmouth. While he then occur on the red, which was going up. He then ride along on the front of the wish and then into the top of the mirror view glass where you looked out as the driver, and then flick overturn on the front of the TIDA and then overturn 3 to 4 times and occur on the wall and then explode. Him coming down in the direction to go to Falmouth. While he then occur on the red, which was going up. He then ride along on the front of the wish and then into the top of the mirror view glass where you looked out as the driver, and then flick overturn on the front of the TIDA and then overturn 3 to 4 times and occur on the wall and then explode.
Honestly, truly, I would love for somebody to translate what he just said for me, please. I don't know where TVJ always find them people here, but nobody cannot cross it. I know the 30 grand just on the 30 grand mirror. The Lasco girl, know him. Like, literally every time I watch this, more and PP up myself. And I just wanted to bring you guys something light-hearted, because it has been a lot of negativity going on, especially a yard recently. And when me see that clip here, me just have to laugh. Like, honestly, me love my Jamaican people. There's no other else people like Uno. And something light-hearted to lighten the mood on my channel, because the channel is very heavy today. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about this news clip. Can you understand him, the man? Do you understand anything when talk say in this liquor segment right here? Comment and tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm out of here, man. Deuces.